Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's video lecture of AutoCAD tutorials, we will cover layers. Layers, or we can simply say layering, is very important concept used in AutoCAD. Almost every technical drawing is composed of different layers, so we need to understand the usage of layers in any AutoCAD drawing. Through layers, we can manage our complex drawing more easily. For example, if you want to make any drawing that is related to home wiring, so in that particular drawing you can put objects of similar functions like bulbs in one layer with the name of bulbs, or fan, AC, wiring itself in the other layer. So in this way you can manage that complex drawing more easily, and you can switch off or switch on different layers so that to work more conveniently in that particular drawing. There are two ways to work with layers. You can make layers before starting any drawing, or you can make layers at the end and after adding that particular drawings to different layers. However, I suggest to make layers before making any drawing, and this way you can work more properly and more precisely. In AutoCAD, by default we have only one layer, that is called zero layer, but it is quite difficult to manage the whole drawing with this zero layer, so we need to make different layers. For that you need to click on the layer properties manager from here if you are using AutoCAD 2016, but through LA enter, it's a very simple command. You can use this command in any version of AutoCAD. So LA enter, and you can add layer from here. After clicking over here you can simply add layer. So I want to make different shapes. For that, let's suppose rectangle, and rectangles, and whatever. Even you can press Alt N from the keyboard for new layer, and let's suppose circles. If you are working with several drawings, so you can make layers with the name of walls, doors, windows, etc. Circle, and then Alt N for lines, and even I can make layers for text as well. You can put text in different layers, and even the most important layer I would say is dimensions. So I mean you can simply rename different layers, even let's suppose text, so you can rename from here, or after clicking F2 on that particular layer you can rename it easily. So you can see different properties of that layers. Even you can change color from here, like for circle I use red color, and then for, let's suppose leave this layer. For line, let's suppose for line I want green layer for line. I mean for rectangles I can use cyan and any color. This for text, let's suppose yellow. So I'm leaving dimension with white color. Now you can check from here and different layers will be added. Yeah, you can see here. So now you can make your object, or you can make your drawing. Let's suppose first of all I want to on a rectangle. So for that, what you need to do, you just have to click on the rectangle and the text there here. So now rectangle layer is on, and let's suppose I want to make a rectangle in this. Yes. For lines, I mean I want to draw a line here, so the line will be in that particular layer, and then even okay, if I want to make circle, okay, so I can add circle here at the midpoint easily. So you can even differentiate your colors, your layer through colors, so you can see it, and you can frame it and whatever. Even if this is a circle, so and then if you on, you can draw different lines. like we want to draw diagonal lines. So and then even if you draw a circle here, so I think even you can add text with your text, T enter, and then here you can change text size from here. I want to use 12 inches. So you can add layers, text in layers. Even you can apply dimensions with, like, if on a dimension color, and then dra dimension of this, so you can add dimensions in different layer, and dli and length of, you can see dimension, even dan, angle between these two lines. In this way you can put and you can add different objects or different shapes and different layer, and after properties you can switch on. Let's suppose for time being I can switch off circles. You can easily see dimensions. It is by default we have just current here, so lines you can on off, and then you can rectangle and text even. Dimension is our current layer, that's why we cannot switch out. For that, what you need to do, LA enter, and make this layer as a current layer. Now you can on off dimension as well. So in this way you can add, you can switch on off different layer. However, if you want to add, let's suppose I want if I made circle, now this circle is in 0 layer, and I want to add this circle to this particular red color layer. So I need to click that object or that shape and just go after clicking and click in that circle. So now you can add different objects. So in this way you can make layers, you can make your drawing more systematically, or we can say in a very organized manner through layers.